Good afternoon, one and all. My name is J. Sagar, PZC third year from Karimnagar TTWRDC. Today I am telling about the topic is solvent extraction. I am creating a one PPT. Solvent extraction. Solvent extraction is nothing but it is a separation. Solvent extraction is also known as a liquid-liquid extraction is a method to separate compounds based on their relative solubilities into different immiscible liquids, usually water and an organic solvent. This is the definition of solvent extraction. Okay, see the diagram. It is a one of the mixture to separate from the rest. Separation. Separating techniques. Separating funnel. Removing oil from hands or cloth is quite a difficult. Removing of oil stains from cloth is harder when dirt and other stains. See the picture. This is a dirty cloth and it is difficult to wash oily hands without the application of soap. The reason for this is that oil does not mix with water to form a homogeneous solution. Instead, it is heterogeneous mixture where the two liquids do not mix together and are immiscible. Immiscible. What is the immiscible? Immiscible. Let us now see what happens when two immiscible liquids are mixed. When two immiscible liquids are completely rises over the other one and a meniscus is formed at the point of contact of two liquids. The liquid with the higher density settles down, okay, while the liquid with a lower density floats above. The separation. Proceed to the separate two immiscible liquids. Two immiscible liquids can be separated using a separating funnel. The separating funnel works on the principles that immiscible liquids separate into different layers based on their densities. Okay, the based on the density, the separating is clear. When a mixture of two liquids is poured in a separating funnel and the left for some time, the liquids separation. The separation will be processed again. The density is important. So the stopcock at the bottom is the open to cock the liquid of higher density in a separate container. Once the higher density liquid completely float out, the stop the cock is closed and we finally have the liquids separated. So finally one is example is here. See the example. Kerosene and water separation. When we pour off a mixture of kerosene and water in the separating funnel, okay, so kerosene floats on the surface of water in the funnel. This is because the density of kerosene is low. The kerosene density is low. So water is first collected from the bottom of the funnel and the kerosene in another beaker. Okay. So it is clear that two immiscible liquids can be separated using a separating funnel. Okay. See the picture. Kerosene and water.